Researchers have finally identified the source of mysterious noises coming from the deepest ocean trench. The odd nose sounds, described as biotwang noises, sound a bit like sci-fi starships and are actually hail calls from bright hails. The hails may use the calls to locate one another like a giant game of Marco Polo, researchers say. Scientists first detected the unusual noises in 2014 while using underwater gliders to carry out an acoustic survey in the Mariana Trench, the world's deepest ocean trench, which spans more than 1,500 miles south of Japan and has a maximum depth of 35,876 feet. The biotwang sound can be broken down into two distinct parts. First, a loud grumbly sound that reverberates through the deep, and second, a high-pitched metallic ringing that researchers have likened to the sounds made by spaceships in Star Trek and Star Wars. The sounds initially stumped scientists, but in 2016 researchers revealed that biotwang was most likely called from large balloon hails, such as blue hails or humpback hails. However, the sounds didn't match any known hail calls. In the new study published in the journal Frontiers in Marine Science, researchers were finally able to prove that bright hails were making the noises. Researchers strongly suspected that bright hails were behind the biotwang when they spotted 10 of the cetaceans swimming near the Mariana Islands and recorded 9 of them making the distinctive noise. Once it's a coincidence, twice is a happenstance, 9 times it's definitely a bright hail, study lead author Ann Olin, an oceanographer at the National Oceanographic and Atmospheric Administration's Pacific Islands Fisheries Science Center, told Scientific American. But to conclusively prove that the bright hails were the ones making the calls, the team matched the occurrence of the noises to the migration patterns of the species, which meant sorting through years of audio recordings captured by monitoring stations across the Mariana Archipelago and its surroundings. They sped up that process by using AI to turn the biotwang into images known as spectrograms that could be easily differentiated from other noises by a machine learning algorithm. The study also found that biotwang could only be heard in the Northwest Pacific, despite bright hails roaming across a much wider area, suggesting that only a specific population of the hails is making the noise. The data also showed a spike in biotwang noises during 2016 when a rise in ocean temperatures caused by an El Nino event caused an increase in the number of bright hails visiting the area. It's still unclear why this call sounds so bizarre, but researchers have a hunch over why they are being made. It's possible that they use the biotwang as a contact call, a sort of Marco Polo of the ocean, Allen told Popular Science, but we need more information before we can say for sure. Please share, like, and subscribe to not miss my new interesting publications.